Well, let's try it again. It is Wednesday or Tuesday morning, July 30th, at about 4:45. Had a guest walk in while I was trying to do this a minute ago and check in. But horrible, have to, hit them for full price on a room. It is what it is. But hey, it's part of a hotel. Anyway, William from Williams, Philippines. I hope everybody's having a blessed day and got a good meal in front of them or two today while they're doing their day. I hope everybody's okay. Anyway, yeah, bit sore from therapy, but I'm actually feeling better, and yeah, trying to stay straight, and it's hurting less, so things are going good, I guess. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah, my credit card, I think, finally came in. It's over at my virtual mailbox, anytime mailbox. So yeah, I'll go by and try to pick that up tomorrow. Get that took care of. The first one they sent me never showed up. This one here, I had them send it over to my mailbox, and it showed up. But it took them 2 weeks to do it. I have no idea why it takes them 2 weeks to send something. Apparently, it's a pretty rinky-dink credit card, but hey, they approved it. So yeah, we'll see how that works out. But yeah, the card showed up, and I'll pick it up and get it activated. Like I say, the first one never showed, and I'm still a little irritated about why that one didn't make it here. It is what it is, but I called them up and got it canceled out, so no matter what, it's not going to be a problem. But yeah, this one here I got over to my mailbox. That's a good thing. And yeah, gonna swing by and try to hit the grocery store on the way home. I don't know why, but I'm actually in the mood for a bit of shrimp. And yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, yeah, see if I can pick up a bit of that on the way home. I don't know. I may decide not to. I've got some in the freezer, but it's buried. I repositioned some stuff out of my chest freezer into my freezer, trying to get my chest freezer emptied out. And I'm down to about, I've got about a third of it empty, so that's a good thing. Maybe even as much as a half. Got a lot of chicken legs and breasts in there that, leg quarters and breasts that need to go get eaten. And so I'm trying to do more out of there. So I emptied out from there into my refrigerator's freezer. And yeah, now the stuff that was in there is kind of buried under other stuff. It is what it is. I know it's a horrible problem to have. So much food that you're having to dig to find food in the fridge. It's a good thing to have food. I never want to be that hungry again, so yeah. It is what it is. Anyway, part of me wants to go do that. The other part says, no, just go home, pull it out, put it in a bowl of water, and let it thaw real quick while I go and do something else around the house, and then have dinner. So I don't know, but part of me wants to take and delay eating and try to lose the weight. The other part says, no, you're hungry and you need food. It's a balance in there somewhere, but yeah, it is what it is. Therapy's helping. Back's not hurting as much as it usually does. Neck isn't either, so that's a good thing. But yes, got more than I want to do at the house in the way of having to get things cleaned up and such. Why is there always more to do? It's like I get one thing done and realize that, yeah, that just uncovered 3 other things that needed to be done to get the next step done. Yeah, can't win for losing, but that's okay. Slow and steady is what wins the race. At least according to the turtle. I don't know. Seems the faster would get it, but hey, I guess they both get there eventually. The question is, in what condition? Because I've slid across the finish line a few times in my life, wishing I hadn't finished. It is what it is. Just the way it happens, I guess. But yes, gotta take and keep doing more every chance I get, because like I say, there's way more than what I thought I had. It's like I'm cleaning things out, and I'm realizing the more that, yeah, I could possibly take and donate it to some thrift store, and they could get something out of it, but it is what it is. Anyway.
You haven't made coffee yet. Where do I find the pop machine or something?
Through the door, bottom of the stairs, hallway to the left for the pop machine. The coffee pot on the right is the fresh one that I made for me.
You said down the stairs?
Down the stairs. Yeah. Guessed. Sorry about that. I'm not going to redo it this time. Don't have time to. Usually I don't like having my guests volume on or speaking on. Because yes, I am doing this while I'm sitting here at the job, technically getting paid for it, babysitting the front desk and waiting for about another 6 to 10 minutes to start doing breakfast. Because some strange reason, they say breakfast in the morning, and they come down here actually expecting there to be a breakfast in the morning. Go figure. So, yeah. Chief cook, bottle washer, checker in or outer, auditors, sometimes security, maintenance, and bump on a log. Hat rack. It is what it is. But yeah, I'm probably going to try to go to the post office tomorrow and my mailbox and tomorrow and get the mail then, as opposed to picking it up today. Rather try to take care of things at the house today. So yeah, because there's always something to do around the house right now. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. I hope everybody's having a real good day and that your work week is an easy one for you. Anyway, later blessings. Bye bye. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.